I hear there's some excitement about the Angie Barlow case. Here's what you need to know about the case. I do believe there's enough evidence cause against Angie's killer, and what's interesting about it is, as time goes by, I'm sure the assumption is that eventually there'll be more evidence or a witness coming forward, but the reality is, I don't think the case is going to get any stronger. The time to strike is now, and here's basically a rundown of what I believe is the evidence against Angie's killer. The killer called Angie's phone the night of Angie's disappearance. The killer arranged for Angie to appear to a private party. That private party was at the killer's apartment with only the killer and her boyfriend present. At near 11:30 p.m., Angie took her final photo from the killer's bathroom. Approximately 3:30 a.m., Angie's car leaves the apartment with the killer's car following close behind. Shortly after Angie's disappearance, her killer and her boyfriend were interviewed in the context that Angie was missing, not as a homicide. They hadn't found a body and didn't really have a basis to believe she had been murdered at that point. Shortly after that, her killer and her boyfriend get married, I believe, to invoke the spousal privilege, preventing law enforcement from being able to interview them in the context of a murder. Shortly after that, Angie's body was found behind a vacant property near a residence that had ties to Angie's killer's boyfriend. Following the discovery of Angie's body, Angie's killer and her boyfriend flee from the state of Indiana and settle down in the state of Arizona.